Oven is where everything is already built in. Example, we have a built-in thermometer where it actually can read the temperature of meat the moment we stick the thermometer inside. Okay?
Okay.
Alright? Then there will be a diagram to show you that it will stop cooking when the temperature hits. The internal temperature hits, it will just stop.
Oh, automatic lah.
Yes, it's automatic. Okay? And also where that oven you can steam. Okay? You can do like more than one kind of cooking. You can steam, you can roast, you can broil, you can what should I say? Bake.
Sounds
Okay.
all purpose.
Sorry? Yeah. It is an all purpose. That's why it's called a convection. Yes. Okay. And we have a sous vide machine. A sous vide machine is actually where we cook using water temperature. Maintain temperature. Okay. That's two. We also have a Thermomix. Thermomix is actually where it's a kind of a blender.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's actually more. It blends more fine. Okay. I give you a very good example.
Alright, go ahead.
Tea life.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah,
Tea life.
okay, go ahead,
Tea life
go ahead.
or not tea life. Let me say another one. Sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
Starbucks.
Oh,
When you do frappe,
yeah.
you have that blender, right? But it's more advanced. Yes, make it more finer. Okay, because Thermomix is actually where you can control the speed, and also you have a timer.
Yeah.
Like making mayonnaise, you can use Thermomix, or you want to blend something, you can use Thermomix. Normally, this one is how should I say? And also, because the engine is different, it's high, it releases a little bit of heat.
Oh.
Okay, because the whole thing is actually the jug of the Thermomix is actually what do you call it? Stainless steel.
Oh.
Yes.
Sounds expensive.
So it's actually in a way is help you partially like emulsifying things that you need to emulsify. Okay. So there is a few kitchen thing that is actually quite what do you call it, high tech now with the technologies coming lah. Okay.
Oh, okay.
You want another example?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay. We have now pizzas.
Yeah.
They have a machine where actually you can sort out everything from A, from the sauce to toppings to baking to the end product. All you have to do is just spread the dough and you let the machine do the rest of the work.
Wow.
Yeah. All you have to do is just select. Yes.
Automatic.
Yeah.
That's nice.
But sadly, it's not in Malaysia.
That's okay lah.
Okay. Questions?
Okay. For this one, again, creative question. There are days when a certain restaurants get very crowded, where people come in crowded, and then there's like the organization's a bit messy. How do you respond to that?
Okay, this is we going again to training.
Okay.
Especially when you talk about restaurants.
Yeah.
Normally, this is where my service crew comes in, where they have enough training to talk with the guests. Okay, they need to know, they need to see the language, the body language of the customers. Are they annoyed, or are they happy, or are they they are rushing. So this is where they come in with questions. Hi sir, for example, sir, you look so anxious. Are you like hurrying, or are you in a hurry? So this is, in the end, it goes to training. Okay, true. It comes to being eloquent. Okay, you have to be eloquent. Means you have to be very confident. But in the end, also, it all goes down to training. Okay. So it's the same as you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Correct.
Yeah.
When you want to, example, when you drive a car, You can't drive a car when you just sit the car and you drive a car, right? So if you drive a car, you will either crash or halfway the engine will die.
Yeah, usually.
Right? Okay? So it's the same thing. The moment you have training, you will be able to drive a car. So the moment the service crew have training, they'll be able to coordinate and they'll be able to talk with the customers. Yes.
I see.
Okay? It's very important. Okay? Alright. Next question.
Alright. Okay, there are points where your quality of food gets like not right. You
Okay.
know? And then how do you, in your opinion, do you know when or where to check?
Where to check?
Yeah,
Okay.
when or where to check? Like
Before things happen,
okay.
daily, early in the morning,
Yeah.
when the moment the workers prepare anything that's on top, or they prepare anything that is from the central prep or
Yeah.
central kitchen, they have to do a test. They have to do a taste test.
Oh.
Even here, there is a list. Example, your tomato sauce. Is it too sour? Is it okay? Does it have any smell? Any rancid smell? Is the color correct?
I
Is
see.
then we have example, and then we have your another sauce. Okay,
Okay.
or let's say your soup, mushroom soup. Okay, then they will test. They will heat it up. Okay, then they will put it. After heat up, is it clumpy? Or is there like a rancid smell? Is it sour? Okay, do you see is there any discoloring or any other colors? Is there like a mole? So there is. So if there is not, they will take. After every testing, they will take. There's no visual, no okay, taste okay, they will take.
So they have like a notepad on them or something like.
There is already a sheet
Oh, I see.
standing by for them to be taken every day, daily. Okay, so this thing will go twice, once for before lunch, and once before dinner. Okay, so from there we know that number one, the staff is actually checking, or the person in charge, the QC controller. Even in restaurants have QC controller. That will be the chef or the restaurant manager. I mean, either the chef or the kitchen manager. Okay.
Okay.
So 2 checks, one before lunch, one before dinner.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Next.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna head to Denny over there.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
So let's begin with efficient challenge. So in everyday life, right? What is the most problem you don't want to face during the day, afternoon, or night? Like what's the most annoying challenge you have to face?
What are the common problems that can disrupt? Okay. What are the common problems? Okay. Common problems. Number one common problem is always utilities. Okay. Example, when you have a lot of machinery, you use a lot of power. Sometimes machine will break down. When machine break down, or is there any shortages, it will disrupt your power supply also. Okay, so when there is no power supply, that short term, that one will really disrupt our workflow. One, because as I can say nowadays, everything's a lot, especially when you're talking about big batches or inside central preps, we rely on big machinery because they can mass produce. Example, maybe a 40-liter boiler can produce for 2 days preps. Okay, a 40 liter lah. 40 liter is very big, yeah. Okay, so when your boiler needs electricity, okay, because nowadays everything mostly is electricity. Okay, so when we need electricity, then if there's no electricity, then we have to have a backup. Normally there is a backup where actually there is a backup generator. Okay, but normally to have a backup generator in a central prep is actually very less. Yeah. Okay, so that's one. Also number 2, human.
Of course.
Correct?
Yeah,
Human.
Yeah, human.
Okay. I will not be very, I won't say, I'll be very truthful, human, as I say. Nowadays times people said where actually the machine can take our job. It's true, okay? But we still need human to operate the machine. Okay? So for F&B also, especially for food and beverage, where I see that that will be the less affected. Okay? For humans to, for what I call it, that machine that can actually take
over.
yes, because F&B normally is more to human touch. Okay, this is true. Why? Because I cannot ask the machine to taste my tomato sauce. Okay, correct. And also a machine also cannot they cannot what you call it identify which item is actually spoiled, almost spoiled, or is okay. You see, because for them the image, unless the image is either okay or very bad, they cannot.
There's no in between.
There's no in between. Okay, yeah. So normally when it's almost spoiled, they cannot differentiate. Yeah, or there is maybe a bruise, a small bruise, you will not know. They cannot. Or maybe the thing turn over, they cannot see the bruise. So there will be an error. That's why we need human. But if you